Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup for patients using an easy method. We will focus on creating nourishing, gentle meals that are easy to digest and comforting for recovery. This approach prioritizes simple ingredients and preparation techniques to support healing. Our goal is to provide a warm, flavorful, and easily consumable meal for those needing extra care. When selecting ingredients, prioritize those that are gentle on the digestive system. Low-sodium broths are ideal, or you can prepare a homemade version. Choose soft vegetables like carrots, zucchini, and well-cooked potatoes. For protein, consider shredded chicken breast or soft tofu. Small pasta or rice provides easily digestible carbohydrates, making the soup more substantial. Preparing the soup is straightforward. Begin by chopping all vegetables into small, uniform pieces to ensure even cooking. Gently sauté aromatics like onion and garlic if the patient tolerates them, adding a subtle depth of flavor. Simmer all ingredients until they are very tender, usually for about 30 to 45 minutes. Adjust the soup's consistency by adding more broth or pureeing some of it. When serving, ensure the soup is warm, not hot, and offer it in small, manageable portions. A light garnish of fresh herbs, such as parsley, can add a pleasant touch if suitable for the patient. Store any leftover soup in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer storage, freeze individual portions. They will remain good for up to 1 month.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.